Hi guys, this is my YouTube channel Tunes of God, and today I'm going to show you how to use the noise suppressor in Boss Me-25. So noise suppressor is basically a setting where you reduce the humming sound, reduce or increase, you can whatever you choose. So the humming sound while you get after plug in your guitar to your amp. So let's begin with uh, first I'm going to choose a memory up and memory down. So let's begin 14 15, yeah, 15. So this is by default 15 number setting. I don't know what about this much. Okay, so in this setting I'm getting very much humming sound. Okay, so now how to deal with this sound, this ridiculous sound. Okay, so what do you have to do? You have to choose the noise suppressor first, and to do this you have to first enter into the edit mode. So how to enter the edit mode is press the exit button and then right. Okay, so now you are into the edit mode, and now we will deal with the noise suppressor. So noise suppressor, how to choose the noise suppressor? Just this is getting very noisy. Okay, so look, press down the exit button. Now memory up. Okay, so it has only 9 settings from 0 to 9. So now there is no extra sound. No extra sound whatsoever. And if you're feeling like this is killing too much gain of yours, so just press down the exit button and lower the amount of suppress you want. Okay, so here's a video of mine how to use the noise suppressor in Boss Me-25. Hope you guys like it, and more video about Boss Me-25 will come, so subscribe for that, and let's talk in the next video. Thank you.